Hello guys, use my phone Vivo Y53s, version 8GB memory and 128GB internal memory. Look completion. In completion we have protected back cover, adapter for charging, USB Type-C cable and headphones. Okay, good completion. And now talk about device. We have triple camera LED plastic body. On the front side we have display, signal 4-inch, power key and long keys, power key with fingerprint scanner, and slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Turn on device. Display Full HD, IPS, Open Geekbench 5. Talk about system information. We have CPU MediaTek MT6769, 6+2 cores, octa-core processor, Mali G52, GPU, resolution Full HD, and display PPA. Look results, single core score and multi-core score, and GPU test results. Look on total benchmark. And total benchmark results okay. And run the demanding game GTA San Andreas. Look how this game works on the device. Works very good, without lags and glitches. Okay, perfect gameplay. And now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see these photos. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.